good afternoon, everyone. This is our assignment after we viewed the video. So, at the highlights, all generations of traditional teachers merit implementing more on memorization of facts and concepts, experiencing real things and keeping touch to visual aids, newspapers, chalk, and blackboards. All generations should improve commitment to the young educators. They should lessen the memorization of the lesson and don't merely rely on textbooks. Another one is the proper usage of time and visual aids. All generations should neglect being a digital immigrant and look beyond the modern ones, but not totally vanishing at the usage of visual aids, because you can use those materials in case of emergencies like blackouts or technical problems on your computers. Modern or the 21st century. The 21st century, the presentation of materials starts with a whole, then moves to a part. They also emphasizes on big ideas and implement skills, hands-on, minds-on activities, and visualizing things through the use of modern technologies. 21st century should improve their willingness to try new things, and not only be an innovative one, but also willing to explore new things. Another one, they should be curious enough on how to challenge the students. And lastly, the preparation of materials and the proper usage of time. They should understand that not all the time technologies are facilitative in teaching. Sometimes being in the real world is more productive and knowledgeable in the part of the students, not only in the part of the students, but also in the part of the teachers. They should forget on relying mainly on technologies. Teaching the students adding similar fractions. So I prefer use deductive method. It begins with the abstract rules, generalization, and then principles, and ends with a specific examples and concrete details. So it's merely on step-by-step process. But we should understand that a teacher should use the appropriate method in his or her lessons. So, traditional and modern teachers are very different from one another. Modern teachers is admittedly exceeding than traditional teachers. When it comes to the usage of technologies in teaching, not only in classrooms but also in other medias like applications and blogs. Truly, technologies is important in the modern ones, but how about those in the older generations or the traditional ones? They like to remain responsive and relevant by keeping their teaching fresh, challenging, and interesting. But in today's generation of traditional teachers, they have no choice but to be a part of modern generation. They are continuing professional development by keeping digital native and not to remain a digital immigrant. But it's not our basis if we use modern or traditional ones. And it is in the part of the teacher on how he or she provoke his or her lesson to the students for the challenging and verse teaching. So that's all.